Hey Dals, so today I'm going to be taking on a vlog. So today is like almost 4 weeks since I haven't had COVID. It should come up negative. I did go get a test the other day. I'm still waiting on it. It's going to come back tonight or tomorrow. But I am going to be cautious because I do want to go outside. So we're going to go have probably some lunch and then do some things while wearing a mask, okay? Grandma's doctor said that after 10 days, you're not contagious anymore, but it may still pop up positive, so you gotta wait like a month or 3 weeks in order for it to show back negative. So my 10 days been up, y'all, so I'm just ready to go outside. I'm ready to go have fun. I'm ready to, I don't know, I miss vlogging and stuff like that, but right now I am actually. Oh, okay, I'm gonna say this so weird. I thought it was okay, so I'm vlogging. I'm recording. I'm recording. I thought it did not show y'all. I'm like, what no weird. I'm gonna go get dressed. Well, I'm finna do my makeup and then we're finna leave out. I'll let y'all know once like in the car what's going on, or I'll come back once my makeup is done. So yeah, y'all, let's go.
I look handsome.
Yeah, you look handsome, baby. You think you look good?
Okay.
You ain't even showing your face.
I think I look good.
So I finally did my makeup. Okay, I'm talking. Finally did my makeup. It didn't take me that long. I actually was out of here. No, it did not. Don't do that. I was actually I was actually out of here by a decent time. It is 8. It's 8 o'clock. This is time people go out anyway. So don't do that.
I mean, that's cool too, but
now if it was earlier, and not, I would have been late. But I told myself, I said, I got to be up out of here by 5 the whole time. It was 7 o'clock. 2 hours late. Huh?
That's because you're hungry.
Yeah, I am hungry as hell. He is going to Steak 48. I never been in there before. My cousin, I don't know if y'all ever seen when I did a live on Instagram. Her name was Marla. She was a dark skinned girl. She had went there for her birthday. I don't know if she said it was good or not. She didn't even state if it was good or not. But I hear everybody go to Steak 48. But me and Duke, we already had Ruth Chris, but we never sat in Ruth Chris. And then we had Weber's Grill. Now that shit is good. Weber's Grill is so good, y'all. And then
I just hope they got some macaroni.
Yeah, and Ruth Chris is good too. I like that crab macaroni.
Yeah.
Crab macaroni and cheese. I don't know if that's something. But yeah, we on our way there now. It's 8:08 in Chicago. I do have my mask, so if I'm not talking without my mask on, just know that off the cameras, I will be having my mask on, so don't come for me, okay? Yeah. And it's time for me a filling. I'm finna go get a filling. I like old girl though. She did my nails real good, and they stayed on because y'all already know a pinky would have been off. A motherfucking pinky would have been off. Crying. Motherfucking whole hands would have been gone. But yeah, they growing and they still on. So yes, I'm gonna set up another appointment with her. Meet y'all as soon as we get to Steak 48, and I'm gonna come right back. Huh? Y'all, these stairs be killing me. Finally. So this is Bay Crib. I'm in Bay Crib, y'all. Y'all probably know this crib when y'all seen me film that clothing haul video. So he had to change because he had that hoodie on in the car. So where we going is Steak 48, and I don't know if they. Well, he said that. He don't know. Oh, I can't wear no hoodie. Oh, he said it is a dress code. It's a dress code. So reservation at 9:15. I think it's like 8 something. And I gotta take a shit. I already gotta take a shit. Nah, that's why I need to be going right now. And this is what I got on. Y'all see me? I got on these sandals, but I got my heels in the car. So yeah, I think I look cute. This is what Bay got on. So he's trying to see if I like it. I do like the green. Where you get that? Oh, he got on green. Y'all come here.
I got it.
You like the pants? You think they floods?
I mean, you said it's supposed to be like that.
They is supposed to be like that. Yeah, that's how I swear, that's how some people wear them. Like, higher than that, though.
Yeah.
I like it. Where your chain? Oh.
You want me to unbutton one more?
Yeah, one more.
More butter?
Yeah, I like when his shirts is unbuttoned, y'all. Come here. I like it.
I'm trying to get my haircut.
Yeah, y'all see him?
My haircut together.
We matching. You so tall. You gotta scoot back.
It's Wizard Kelly, y'all.
Yeah, you look good. You. Y'all finna go take a deuce, okay, real quick to try to see if it'll come out. And we gonna be on our way to the we gonna be on our way to the restaurant. So I'll probably record some B-roll or something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all as soon as we get there.
Joey.
Thanks. All right, y'all. So let me see one thing on. All right, so I was trying to take a picture of him, and I guess you can't take a picture in the lobby without your mask on, but I didn't know that. So I just caught a little attitude real quick. They should have a sign that states that you have to have a mask on all time until you sit down to take a picture. Cause that just kind of blew me. I don't know. I'm gonna find out when I'm gonna get to eat, and then I'm gonna come back. But I just have to tell y'all that because I was irritated. Y'all know I had to let that shit off my chest. Okay. Y'all see my room? I changed the color. It is orange. I got a little orange in here, but it's not fully. What you picking at? Don't touch this cover, okay? And keep that meat.
Okay.
Today actually went great. Now I just got in. Duke just dropped me off, and yeah, I'm just sitting here watching this Santa movie, and then I don't know. I think I'm gonna make this a weekend vlog actually because it's the weekend for me, and I just checked my email, and me and Layla are tested negative for coronavirus. Thank God it's gone. Thank God. Okay, y'all, so I look like this because my hair ain't done. Well, it's done, but it ain't. I gotta gel it up and fix the two-piece in the front. But today is Saturday, day 2. I am supposed to be going to a bar. This is like my second day officially out in quarantine. And yeah, this is what I got on. Oh, look at that ass, bitch. Don't worry, I'm gonna get this right. I'm gonna get a trainer so I can get a 4-pack, y'all, and then my shit really gonna come out. I'm gonna go to a bar because I definitely wanna drink. I wanna feel lit. I wanna dance, I wanna drink, you know? So I'm gonna do my makeup once again. It's always late. It's probably like 5. But now I'm always doing soft beats because I be wanna go outside. So I think I'm gonna do something soft again. I have on gold and taupe, or I might do matte. Who knows? I'm trying to think like if I should find this color, put it all on the lid and get. I'm gonna see y'all soon as I get done. Cause I wanna go outside. So this is what I have on. You should see the arms on this. It's so cute. Get my YSL bag. I'm actually finna turn off all these lights. It's 9 something and we're gonna be on our way out. I'm gonna vlog a little bit, show y'all a little bit what's going on. Cause the light probably gonna be horrible. And then I'm gonna have my mask on and stuff. So I'm gonna see y'all as soon as we get to the destination. All right, y'all. So after we got outside, since COVID is going on, everything closes. The mall closes at 7, and then places downtown close at 12, 1 o'clock. It's not the norm anymore. So I'm thinking like, okay, you know, you get out at 10, 10:30, you know, make it to a bar or club that closes at 4 or 5 in the morning. But no, that's not the case. Everything closes at 12 or 1, maybe 1, but mostly 12. So we didn't have no destination for this Friday. And we did go out Saturday, and I didn't vlog that part. And we went out Sunday, and I did vlog that. No, I didn't vlog that. I only got like snippets on Snap or video. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and tell me if y'all want to see more vlogs. Let me know. I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah, yeah.